But you know what to say? It is me ase. They me ase pa. It's you and somebody baby. What they are say free here.
Where do you want us to start from?
You started from Brazil. Squad no, yeah, call up no. JOAO PEDRO nim. A man for receive question say name me a maintenance will be any injury situation. We prepare sa e come as why injury prone. Enti e dey na beba Carlo Ancelotti. Ebetimi afa a half fit Neymar. E dey na kobo a whole World Cup. Na JOAO PEDRO even say I can say Oko Chelsea team ni ma. Ono na supporters na voting as the best player. At the man Chelsea. Dey na bema Carlo Ancelotti such a player. I guess one for them World Cup.
Which I think that's Inca Brazil lists, France lists, Curaçao lists. Ubi THO because I didn't see the Brazil list Hong Kong. But the truth is that in the context of the World Cup, Brazil your Maya untimin ninja. So it's a big nation. Now, if you want to understand how Brazilians see the World Cup, means one with a video of sending an JOAO PEDRO Busia 40 on them, and they were waiting for the announcement to come.
Jeff
is the image. Now, almost not say Senka, but the time I can do baby, Naka JOAO PEDRO Diabem. And you don't. There's a video of Hendrik. Now, Oboni season away from Leon, Abba Madrid, Abba Bechain. There is Rafinha in the area. After the announcement, so they are celebrating. For Brazil, a big thing. And in fact, Rich, and when you maybe 9:30, 10 almost start the process now. If you look at the pomp and pageantry, Brazil for President Bano Abekasa, then na Oma Carlo Ancelotti at Tono Boasia 1991 Ediaba. Then announces the list of the players that are going to be there. So for Brazil, it's a big thing. Ubeka, just in the last few days, Neymar da Silva Santos Jr. a little bit of an issue kakra in Brazilian football. Not Santos football game. Now on a slight injury, and Okotina chain. Santos for his one best substitution. Nippon no mean if number 31. But fourth official no name of Frimu. And my name I say down tiasie. In fact, the sense of people now, the officials, the fourth officials, no Eric check camera and say, and you know. And now come in a film because Neymar wants to go to the World Cup. For Brazilians, it is a dream. It is a dream. Like I think it's more so every country, but not Brazil. There, I say next level with
the pride.
Yeah, for them the World Cup is something else for them.
Also, country. I mean,
the most successful country in the World Cup. In terms of World Cup, the country we are more successful than the Brazilians. Even now, European football dominates. The Brazilians have been very successful. You understand where the sentiments are coming from, and baby and Yomako. But DBR especially as a Ghana analyst, the analysis now constantly I do this analysis and I'll do it again in the front. In tournament football, and yet only about play or form, Mr. And you say you watch 29 goals, 30 goals in T, automatically you have to go and play tournament football. It's not like that. Usually they are their coaches in tournament football and they say, open different profiles, the personalities based on the way or no one chance against okay. Your friend is saying the general style of play about tournaments, but there is also a possibility that tournaments will tilt towards this side. I'll give you an example. If you take the French national team squad, Eduardo Camavinga Edin Enim, Orient Chimeni Edin Ewum, Adriano Rabiot Edin Ewum, N'Golo Conte Edin Ewum, Malo Gusto Edin Ewum. Now, if you look at the list on surface level, you can ask questions. Adriano Rabiot Kwakobo World Cup na Eduardo Camavinga Etifi. But it is how DJ Deschamps wants to play. Or person boss 4-2-3-1. Inka Abrante friend Hugo Ekitike or I was suspecting that one of those midfielders would have sat back because he would have used Ekitike as an inside forward and then sent Abrante friend Hugo Ekitike. So sometimes about that. Now, if we analyze Brazil for listening one after the other, you're forgetting about goalkeepers. Sent defenders. Alexandre Bonobo in the area. So for fullback, it comes to him. Jason Bremer for Juventus. He has been one of their standout centre backs in Italy for a while now. Danilo, very much experienced. Douglas Santos, Abrante's friend Gabriel Magalhaes. He's going to be a starter in the team. Then you take Abrante's friend Ibanez, Leo Pereira, Marquinhos. So Gabriel Magalhaes and Marquinhos are going to be the starting centre backs. Wesley, your fullback. So those two fullbacks are going to be there. Then you go to the middle of the pack. Udruanuma of Bruno Guimaraes. Any problem? We'll be able to say Bruno Guimaraes. But this is where the issue comes in. Casemiro. Any Abrante's friend Fabinho. Before Ancelotti, the Brazilian coaches were not calling Casemiro for a while now. Because for them, like Casemiro are born a bone heavy. But Ancelotti has worked with Casemiro for a long time. In the best successful years at Madrid, not only Casemiro in the year, this season Casemiro has been way better. He knows Casemiro. And we should the fact that the Fabinho aka Casemiro, it is clear that he wants to play more of the game without the ball. I don't think Ancelotti is going to play in the World Cup like the way Brazil for one born in the derby. I don't think so about the samba, tricky, passing, tiki-taka style in the derby. I think that what Ancelotti wants to go and do at the World Cup is to shut up shop. Play 2 DMs. I feel like game ways or Kobono over 4-3-3 krana, Obobo Guimaraes, Obobo Fabinho, Obobo Casemiro. 2 Abubunia for me, 6 actually. Then plays an 8 now acts like a 10. No, about 2 wingers. Because of the style of play, he has to get 2 wingers that are pacey and tricky. That is where Gabriel Martinelli comes in. That is
of Arsenal.
Of course, of Arsenal. Player of who pace running down the touchline. Now, so what's our style of play? Now, you also need an outlet. I got Thiago. So, I got Thiago probably has more goals than JOAO Pedro. But as a hold-up player, physically dominant, aerial duels, Sadio, he has a slightly over Abrante's friend JOAO Pedro. Now, you take a bit of Ryan, Brazil for latest star boy who play from the right wing. You add Obitse Neymar da Silva Santos, also tricky winger from out of the wing or even central areas. Where my issue comes in, was at least to me now, is on 2 players that can play either as a second striker or a centre forward for JOAO Pedro.
Why?
Matheus Cunha and Hendrick. And I've seen very good arguments. Say Matheus Cunha in the last games of Brazil, boy, Paraguay, he played well. That is okay. But if you look at the
the Manchester United,
but not as much as JOAO Pedro or club level. Club level, JOAO Pedro de Bono. At the national team level, if you want to look at just data, he has had just 1 goal and 1 assist in 21 games for Team Friend in Brazil. But in terms of performance, people always point out to that Paraguayan game and the France game. In that Paraguay and France game, JOAO Pedro was okay. One the best player on the night, but he was okay in that game as well. Most especially was Hendrick. Hendrick had a good season at Leon. But I feel like in terms of the all-round quality, JOAO Pedro beats me because JOAO Pedro beats me about right wing, beats me about left wing, beats me about center side, beats me about main striker. So all of these 4 attacking positions, JOAO Pedro could give it to you. But again, it can be something as minute as Matheus Cunha, Edemano in the dressing room, JOAO Pedro Famano. It can be something as the relationship. Matheus Cunha with some of the players. James said it's going to be important. JOAO Pedro and Famano. So in all of that, yes, Chelsea, you feel worried. JOAO Pedro himself will feel worried. But I like the mentality. So what's your statement? Not the Abana. For him, he has to move on. Niame Yannis one shiny and then you Tottenham was Penebebrehum. Because any buffon and then you're match or they are good Tottenham was special. But at age 24-25, there's a possibility of a World Cup in future. Yes, Pedro already 28-29, but if you are saying there is an opportunity for life.
And Jose Mourinho back to Real Madrid.
So what you say?
Why never occurred to us.
Exactly.
Say Jose Mourinho career dream. Back to Real Madrid. Araboni there and you know Kofi sometimes and I'm that's what Kofi Sankomu idiaba. Yeah. Who says ye fi komu ya. Collapse and the band ye komu na. Ya me catch na man for say. Sa sentiment na de kasa. Yeah. Say ya collapse ya yin jai.
Of course.
And na e fini na she coach na chi and o na am ya free win yin jai.
Oh yeah.
She collapse on a lot in going to it.
Goes into it. Yeah.
Like you were saying.
Yeah.
Relationship.
Yeah. Yeah.
And coach no on your brand na ya adwuma pe
ebi kwampo Matheus Cunha ba the way sebe or Jimmy anase bia oyi asresem teammates all of those things are important in the dynamics
because
of
me say
collapse. It's important.
Talent lot to minimity.
Yeah.
But I mean say adia ba ko pe be more di Neymar akọ.
Yeah.
Upo Neymar is
yes, of course. He wanted to give Neymar the last dance and see that one.
Neymar is too big.
Oh,
Brazil.
Yeah.
It is a couple work up near the name of qua.
Yeah.
A D name and unqua the clout.
Yeah, of course. And already no
credit. Anything another be a catch a man for say, do it, yeah,
woke up and saying 70 it is what it is. It is what it is.
It is what it did.
Oh, it is what it is. It drew on him. Say, like I don't agree with Ancelotti on this, but it is not too extreme. The news of Josep Guardiola free Manchester City na Enzo Maresca corner. I'm very excited. I've said this several times. In this job, one of the things I will constantly be proud of myself with is not being the kind of guy I want to re-echo the Obiaka and Anyankofu Bibrieka just to be popular in the eyes of people. If not for nothing, Manchester City for Enzo Maresca Jumani has proven that he is a top brain. Because Pep Guardiola a free club and we are looking for a replacement. That's Enzo Maresca Neba. It tells you how much of a good guy the guy is. And of course, everybody knows that Juma Wabe or Chelsea was telling Obiehu say Obabe boy Juma Chelsea Football Club and he has gotten the Man City job. I think at City he has an opportunity to do a lot of successful things. Obetimi akoye honum. And yebe train akoshe the yebe kosu. Whatever the case is with Hans-Dieter Flick, any Barcelona, the corner extension is good. And which Maminka same way. Ejuma Hans-Dieter Flick ayo Barcelona no. For me, he is the most important person in the club, both players and coaches. Not even Lamine Yamal. Which okay, the numbers are Rafinha, Lamine, Lewandowski, Edema Barcelona. The season, like as last season, Abraham Omoko Champions League. Now there was a possibility of the Ballon d'Or. Okay, okay, the numbers Rafinha give them. Yeah. Which this season, Rafinha got almost half of that. That's what team. Lamine Yamal same. Robert Lewandowski in the form they pay, but still one man prevailed. Hans-Dieter Flick. In all of the facts, the main figures of Barcelona team in form at Depeno, he was able to get the boys to be successful. And it was a domestic double and almost another season. So that tells you the quality of Hans-Dieter Flick as a manager. Say, yes, style of playing and for criticizing. For 2 seasons, from a domestic treble to a domestic double. Yes, in the Champions League, they're falling short. But that's more about, say, Barca for an air top players that suits that style of play for him. It's the reason why many agencies with the Flick why extending the contract, but I'm also worried for him. Because Rich, at the end say ya na be kono na in 2028 Barca intimi anto especially center backs o metimi aibo Hans-Dieter Flick born na mana ye be we no on timi in Champions League ni bi based on what went on last season and what has gone on this season. They constantly fall short from their center back area this season in the quarter final. So Bekaya in that first leg Abranche Fani Pau Kubasi could do a red card. Do you remember? A red card away. If Kubasi was probably in both legs, maybe Barcelona could have turned it down. Apart from Kubasi, you don't have the centre backs that have the dominance ability to play. 2 seasons ago, it was Gerard Martin that fell short. So it tells you that centre back in the other season, centre back this season, Barca have issues in terms of getting the depth of centre backs that can play the game, especially for Hans-Dieter Flick. Maybe it is time for them to go on and then invest in Abranche Freno, Alessandro Bastoni, or whoever they think are left-footed centre back, Hans-Dieter Flick air pair to be able to give them the Champions League. Because Rich, near Barcelona, they say, even in the worst days of Barcelona, they won the Spanish La Liga. Joao Paulina, Mababe, Spanish La Liga, Nibida. Joao Paulina, Omaji, Spanish La Liga, Nibida. Free, a friend is saying, free. Saudi Arabia or China came to Spain and then won it. Certain players that Brana Barcelona were going through tough times, they still won the Spanish La Liga. In fact, if you look at Madrid's dominance, they become Madrid dominance. Usually, Madrid's dominance is in Europe. In all of those years that Madrid kept on dominating Europe, Barcelona would dominate in Spain. So, you win the Spanish La Liga, it's not a new thing to them. Even Xavi Hernandez. The La Masia boys not just Spanish La Liga nibi. Nyame can say if 2028 comes, now still Hans-Dieter Flick does not tell him. Now on J, the Champions League, in addition to all the successor, he may be tactical, he may be brilliant. I will sing a song, but history will not be kind to him. if you are having conversation about top coaches, not just in the eyes of Barcelona players, if he doesn't have the Champions League, people ask, now Barcelona it is just the league, a league that Xavi won, a league that this won, a league that won, and that is where Barcelona would have to make certain changes and make sure saying as the
Bayern at the Bundesliga.
I mean, it is not exactly. Barcelona wins the league, so okay. I think that in extending the contract for Hansi Flick, I said Barcelona extend, they said they value him, right, and then do more for it. Mami for we see. Just a few seconds. Rich, the danger of Chelsea appointing Xabi Alonso. The danger of Chelsea reappointing Xabi Alonso. And I mean that time in changing, but I'll say it this way and I'll come back to you again. Rich, for the very first time, Chelsea for a coach power. Oma Maresca bi. Nkofo krasi my Chelsea for Maresca ndini ye. Oma Pochettino bi. Oma Graham Potter bi. Oma Rossinier bi. Maybe all of these guys truly they didn't deserve it when they were coming. Maybe Pochettino did, but the rest maybe they did not deserve it based on receiving when they were coming. Xavi does on the surface of it. But Rich, Xavi doesn't have the track record of building a team. And for the very first time, we can be unanimous in agreement in terms of say Xavi tactically good. Xavi a winner. He's a proven winner. But all of us cannot agree on is the fact that you look at the two teams that Xavi is coaching now. He wasn't the de facto person that was making the final decisions in terms of purchases. At Leverkusen, it was Simon Roofs. At Madrid, Florentino Perez and in the team, of course, Jose Angel Sanchez and Juli Califat must start together and then make sure they will find and get the players to come in. I hope. Sadio, I say who will be either so one like Luis Campos. He's brilliant at getting the best players. Mikel Arteta was Sadio and spotting the best talents and bringing them to the team. It is the biggest gamble at Chelsea for a take on Xabi Alonso. I just hope as Chelsea have decided to make certain tweaks now, the biggest gamble that they take doesn't come back to hurt them. And season is starting this summer, we'll be able to tell if truly Xabi Alonso can go on and then do the job at Chelsea. Now, and then you may say matches so. More quotes amount for English Premier League matches me and Belgian League and also games on Michelle, my main man quickly MOT for Michelle. I'll be to my file pen and no paper. Fiifi Manfred on all social media handles. So I'm first one a BW571CA6F4. Second one a BW571C9967. Third one a BW571C88DB. Fourth one a BW57188-1D4. Fifth one a BW571878778. And last one a BW718716E. Rich Midas.
Yes, we are.